What's up, everybody? It's Alberti coming at you, doing a lot of work on my car right now for getting ready for Slamology. Sound deadener everywhere. Everywhere. All sound deadener. Everywhere. I did all my door panels already, and we got the headliner out right now. Listening to some jams. Got that Soundqubed detonator going in. Solid, man. It's just unbelievably solid. I'm like hitting that pretty good. I'm knocking on it with my knuckles. Yeah, dude, it is solid. Well, I got enough room for my amplifier. We're gonna take this out. I don't need a spare tire anymore. Then I'm gonna have my amp like right here. It'll fit like perfectly right there, and then figure it out from there. Slow process, but it's going. Got my new amplifier, my old amplifier right there, and yeah, we got more work to do. Alright, here's what the SMD voltmeter looks like in the A-pillar. Got the microphone for talking on the phone. Got a little toggle switch right here to turn off the voltage meter. You especially need that for, my car is just turned off right now, sitting at 12.8. You especially need a toggle switch to turn it on and off because it is close to my windows. It does reflect here and there when I'm driving at night, so it is a good idea to turn it off if you don't really need it. Yeah, it turned out really good. Nice and clean. Got to do the other side to match. Not to match. I'm going to sand it down and paint it and get rid of all that texture. If you can see all that texture. That was a pain to get off the other side. But, well, we'll get them matching soon. Alright.